So you're about to hit the trail, but before you head off, there's one simple step that can make a huge difference on how your rig performs off-road: airing down your tires. In this video, I'm going to show you how to air down, why it matters, and a few tips to do it safely. First, let's talk about why you even want to air down. When you lower your tire pressure, the tire's contact patch, the part of the tire that actually touches the ground, gets bigger. That gives you more grip and traction on loose surfaces like sand, snow, and rocks. It also helps smooth out the ride. Instead of your suspension taking every little bump and rock, your tire absorbs a lot of the impact. It's like turning your tires into shock absorbers. Plus, airing down can help prevent damage. A softer tire can conform around sharp rocks instead of puncturing it. Now, how much you air down depends on the type of terrain and the tire setup you're running. As a general rule, for dirt roads and washboard trails, dropping from street pressure down to about 20 to 25 psi is usually enough. For rocks or technical trails, you can go lower, around 15 to 18 psi. And for sand, snow, or dunes, sometimes you'll need to drop into the 10 to 12 psi range. Keep in mind, if you go too low without beadlock wheels, you risk popping the tire off the bead. So don't push it further than your setup allows. Okay, so how do you actually air down? There are a few ways. The slow and simple way is just using a stick or a key to press the valve stem until you reach the pressure you want. It's not the fastest, but it works in a pinch. A step up is a tire deflator tool. These screw onto your valve stem and let air out quickly while showing you your PSI on a gauge. There are also preset deflators that stop at a specific pressure, which makes it super easy to be consistent across all 4 tires. Whichever method you use, make sure you check all 4 tires so they're even. Uneven pressures can throw off handling on the trail. And here's the part a lot of people forget. Don't stay aired down once you get back on pavement. Driving on low tire pressure at highway speeds is dangerous and can destroy your tires. Always bring a portable air compressor or know where you can air back up after your trail run. So that's the breakdown. Airing down your tires gives you more traction and a smoother ride and can help protect your rig when the terrain gets tough. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our gear at Xpedition.com, and don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment about what PSI you run on the trails. And we'll see you on the next one.